Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and sorry for posting this video so late, uh, but I was busy doing something, so it took some time. But now I promise that I will be consistent with my channel, and you will be getting regular updates from it. And this video consists of those big calculation problems which which takes time to solve, and I'm going to give you a trick or give you a method by which you can easily do that calculation, and you can get your answers really fast. Okay, so stay tuned. After the introduction, I will take you to my laptop screen. There you can easily know the method, and you will be able to do the calculation really fast. So stay tuned.
So we have moved on to our laptop screen, and here you can see the list of questions which we will discuss right now. These questions are generally termed as simplification questions, I have mentioned here, and we will use digit sum method to fulfill our requirements, which is to solve these questions as fast as possible. Okay, and I will tell you about this method, so bear with me and watch the full video so that you can grasp all the things. Okay, so let's move on. So the first question is 123 into 456. Okay, there's a tip for you. Whenever you see the question, at first just glance over the options. Okay, it may be possible that within 5 seconds you may get the answer, so it's very important to take a glance over those options. Okay, okay, the question is 123 into 456. So it is quite easy that in the unit place of this number 3 is there, and in the unit place of this number 6 is there. So when we will multiply it, then it will become 18. So 8 should be in the unit place of the answer, right? So here in the option B you can see 56088. Here 8 is there in the unit place, so this is our answer. I'll be showing you the answer in bold, and I will do the necessary eliminations, and I will make it red color. Okay, so let's move on to second question, which is 456 into 789. We have glanced over the options. Okay, these are the options. You can see 359782, 369784, 359784, 369782. Okay, so if you multiply the unit digit of this number and this number, then it will become 54, right? So in the unit place of the answer we should get 4. So after seeing the options, we can say that either B is our answer, or C is our answer. Okay, so what we should do here? Now here we will apply digit sum method. So what is it? Digit sum method is a method in which we have to do the sum of the digits, and then if the sum comes to 9, then we have to eliminate it. Okay, I will show you how it is. So let's start. In this number 456, 4 and 5, if we make the sum of these two numbers, then it will become 9. So we will eliminate this too. Okay, so 6 remains here. Okay, 6 remained here. Now in the second number, here 9 is there, so we'll eliminate it. Okay, we will eliminate this 9. Sorry, we'll eliminate this 9. Okay, so 7, 8 is remained. 7 plus 8 is 15, and 1 plus 5 is 6. So 6 into 6 will be 36. Now we have to sum these two also. So 3 plus 6 will be 9. So we will eliminate that, and at the end we will get 0. Okay, so we have to choose that option in which our end sum will be 0. Okay, so here in let's check the B option, that is 3 plus 6. This will be eliminated because the sum is 9. This 9 will be eliminated. The rest is 7, 8, 4. So 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. So 1 plus 9 will be 10. 10 means at last we will get 1. Okay, 1 plus 0 will be 1. So I think our option is C. So let's check it out. Here 9 will get eliminated. Okay, so 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 8 23, 23 plus 4 27. So 2 plus 7 will be 9. So 9 will get eliminated and we will get 0. So this is our answer. Okay, let's move on to the third question. The third question looks a little bit typical, right? And after multiplying the unit digits, we will get 32. So we should get 2 in the unit place of the answer. So when you see the options, 2 is in every option. So we can't put any trick here. So we have to solve it by digit sum method only. There's no another way. So in this number 432 is 9. So we will eliminate it. So 1 remains here. Whereas in this number 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. So 18 means 1 plus 8, that will be equal to 9. So this all will get eliminated. This 7, 6 and 5 will get eliminated and 8 remains here. So 1 into 8 will be 8. So we have to choose that answer in which 8 comes as the digit sum. Okay. So let's check the first option. 7 plus 7 and 2 will get eliminated because the digit sum is 9. So 6, 6, 5. 6 plus 5 will be 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. So 1 plus 7 is 8. So this will be our answer. You can check the... I'm very sorry. We should make it bold. Similarly, since we have to get the answer really fast, so since I got the answer in the 8th option only, so I will mark that one only. You can check the subsequent one also, so that there is no confusion. Okay, you can check it out. Now let's move on to the fourth question. Sorry, 54% of 7865 plus 17% of 532 minus 39% of 4269 is equal to how much? Now here there is no trick. You can easily say that there is no trick, and we can't see. And if we glance over the options also, there is no trick or something we can find out. So what we will do, we have just to apply digit sum method. So let's do it. 5 plus 4 is 9, so we'll eliminate this. Okay, 7865. Okay, 7865. So 6 plus 5 is 11 and 11 plus 7 is 18. So 18 is 1 plus 8 is 9, so it will get eliminated. So 6 plus 5 will get eliminated and this 7 will got eliminated. Okay, so here 0 is there into something, the whole term will become 0, so we'll eliminate the whole term. Okay, now in this one 1 plus 7 is 8, 5, 3, 2 will become 10. So 8 into 1 will be 8. So here 8 will remain. Whereas in this one 9 will get eliminated. This 9 will get eliminated. 4 to 6. Okay. 4 to 6. 6 plus 4 will be 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12 is what? 1 plus 2 will be 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. So this whole term will also get eliminated. Okay. So what remains is 8. Okay. Now we have to find the option in which 8 will be there. Now let's check the options. 2, 1, 2. Okay, we can eliminate 5, 3 and 1 because the sum will become 9. Okay, so 2 plus 2, 4 will remain. So this is not our answer. In here we have to sum everything. 2 plus 4 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 means 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So this is also not our answer. B is not our answer. C. 6 and 3 will become 9, so we'll eliminate this. 7 plus 2 will be equal to 9, so we'll eliminate this. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So this is our answer. Okay. Now let's move on to the fifth one and the last one. Here I have put the question mark here. Means you have to find this number. Okay. So how should we move on? Simply we have to apply the digit sum in this number, and this number, and this number. Okay. Then at last we'll find the answer. After seeing the options also, we are not getting a trick, so we just have to apply digit sum here. 9 will get eliminated. 3 and 6 will get eliminated, and 5 and 4 will also get eliminated. Okay. So here 0 remains. So the whole term will become 0. This whole term will become 0. Here 1 plus 7 will be 8. And here 4 plus 4 plus 1 will become 9. So we'll eliminate this. So the answer should be 1 by 8. Okay. So you might be thinking 1 by 8. Then what should we do now? We can actually multiply 8 in the numerator and denominator. So because of that, what will happen? In the numerator 8 will remain, and in the denominator 64 will remain. So 6 plus 4 will be 10. So our answer will be, the question mark value should be 8. So we have to find the option in which 8 will remain. Okay. So let's find it. Here 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. So 18 means 1 plus 8 will equal to 9. So this whole term will become 0. So A is not our answer. We will eliminate 9 here. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is our answer. You can check the subsequent one also. I'm not checking it because I know this should be the answer. So you can check it and just practice it. Just practice it, and you'll be able to do these questions very, very easily. Okay, here's a homework question for you. Do this question and just write the answer in the comment box, and I will tell you if you are correct or not. Okay.